Hello and welcome back to the channel. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a shutdown shortcut on your Windows 11 desktop. It's fast, easy, and super useful when you want to power off your PC with just a click. Let's get started. First, go to your desktop and right-click on any empty space. Then, hover over New, and click on Shortcut. Now, in the location field, type this command exactly. shutdown/s/t0. This tells your computer to shut down immediately, with no delay. Click Next, and now give your shortcut a name. You can call it Shutdown, or anything you like. If you want a cooler icon, right-click the shortcut, go to Properties, then click Change Icon. Windows will show you a bunch of system icons. Pick one that makes sense, like a red power symbol, and click OK. Now, double-click your new shortcut, and your PC will shut down immediately. So make sure to save your work first. And that's it. You now have a shutdown shortcut on your Windows 11 desktop. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, so you don't miss more quick tech tips like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.